Hello friends. We're going to look at multiplication of fractions by fractions, but we're actually going to look at it as a pictorial model. Because what we're saying that we have 2/3 so let's imagine we have 2/3. Okay. We're going to multiply that by 3/4. So if we think about it, well, wait a second. If you're taking 3/4 of 2/3, where do the values overlap? Well, they overlap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. Well, if you think about it, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 4 is 12. So in other words, 2/3 of 3/4 is technically 6/12. Well, let's see. What do we have left over? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 6 bars that either have red, black, or nothing. And we have 6 bars that have just red and black. So when you think about the pictorial representation of 2/3 of 3/4, so we have to think about, well, what's 2/3, and then what's 3/4 of that, and that would actually be 6/12. So yes, technically you're multiplying the numerator by the numerator, the denominator by the denominator, or you can do it as an image. Okay? So let's look at it one more way. So let's say we have 1/2 of 2/3. Well, again, we can do straight multiplication, but as a pictorial representation, let's make sure we're understanding what this represents. So 2/3. So there's our 2/3. Remember, we're going to take half of this, because we're saying 1/2 of 2/3, so 1/2 times 2/3. So we take half of it. Let's think about that. Where are they coming together, right? So 1/2 of 2/3, well, isn't it right here, the 1/2 of 2/3? So it makes sense that 1 times 2 is 2, because you have 2 parts out of 6. So when you're thinking about fractionals, fractions times fractions, and thinking about just how they work, this is what we're focused on in terms of a pictorial representation. I hope this helps kind of get you thinking about it a little clearer. Thanks.